Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So Nikola's still finding resistance. We had that 75.31 to 75.76, poking up just above that 75.76, but then closing lower, testing the 4-hour rotation zone. Key level we're watching going into tomorrow morning is about 71. Move below 71, we'll start targeting 68 or 68.11. I'll show you why that's reinforced on the daily chart. Then below that, we'll start watching for about 65 to 66. Talked about that daily chart. Sorry about that. So you see here, that's where the daily rotation zone is today, pretty much closing on a doji. So that's going to be the key area. If we do drop back down, we also could confirm a divergent sell signal. So a daily divergent sell signal, which could potentially even take us back to the bottom of the rotation zone on the daily chart, which is about 57. So that's what we're going to be watching for going into tomorrow, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.